I'm here to talk about doing statistics. In Excel, I'm working with a Mac. I want to do these four numbers at the bottom: average, min, max, and median. So if I click on the AutoSum, the drop down arrow here, I can click on the word average. It's going to give me the correct range above. We have that number there. I'm going to click inside here. I want to do the minimum. I click on minimum. You have to be careful when you're doing this. Highlight the correct range. Go there. Minimum is 19. And I want to do the maximum. I'm going to click inside here. Next to this AutoSum, I'm going to click on max. Again, look at the range. You might have the year at the top or some identifying number, so that could mess up your statistical analysis. I hit the enter key. 96. I want to do the median. I click inside here. It's not showing it. It's actually statistical. I'm going to click on more functions. We go to the far right. I don't see median here. It's showing most recently used. You've got categories. I could click on search. I'm trying to find median. There it is. I click on it. And then it says the range here. It's not B1 through B20. It is B1 through B17. So I just highlight with the mouse. It's going to replace it. Let go of the mouse. I hit the enter key. I could have clicked on the done over there. This is the basics with statistics.